Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, this is kopritzakka channel, and what I do in my YouTube channel is to bring you update about cryptocurrency, airdrop and web3 ecosystem. So if you haven't subscribed, please support me by subscribing to this channel. Like I always say, it's free. Like this video, share this video and drop your thought in the comment section. Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you this website that you are going to earn free WDD token, and you can withdraw these tokens to your decentralized exchange. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description, then it's going to take you to this interface. Once you come here, you are going to click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, then you are going to sign in with your Google account. Don't use email, sign in with your Google account. So you click on it and it's going to take you to this interface. Then you choose the email you want to use. Then you are going to click on continue and it's going to load and take you back to the interface. Now we have successfully created our account. So here is the question: how are we going to earn this WDD token on this platform? So to earn this W token, you are going to click on activate basic income. That's the only way you are going to earn from this platform and by referral. So here you can see we have successfully activated the mining power. So every time make sure you come here and claim your reward. That's how to earn this token. So I'm going to click on claim, then I'm still going to click on confirm. So guys, that is how to claim your tokens once you have mined many, and this token is going to be added to your wallet. Then you can withdraw it at any time and any moment. So guys, the next thing to do is to click on this icon, then you click on wallet. So once you click on wallet, then this is where you are going to complete your identity verification. So to do this verification, you are going to click on me ID, because without this verification you cannot withdraw your tokens from this platform. So you click on this icon and it's going to take you to this website. So once you come here, you can see proof of personhood. You click on continue and it's going to take you to this place. You still click on start verification. So once you click on start verification, then you are going to agree to the terms and conditions. Here is the summary of what they are saying. The first thing is make sure your camera is bright and make sure you don't put any face mark when you want to complete your verification. So you click on verify now and you click on allow if you are using Chrome browser. So you click on allow this time, then you are going to put yourself in this cycle and be following their instruction. If they say come closer, you come closer. If they say move back, then you move back. Just follow their instruction. So guys, that is it. Then here you can see checking the uniqueness of face print. So once they check, you can see authorization success. Then you click on done and it's going to take you back to the interface. So here you can see we have successfully complete our verification and we can now withdraw from this platform. So to withdraw, you are going to input their contract address, and I'm going to show you how to input their contract address. These two tags are not compulsory. You can either skip them or you can complete them. So to withdraw, you click on withdraw, then you are going to paste your WDD address, and to paste your WDD address you are going to input their contract address on your decentralized exchange. So I'm going to use my BitGet wallet, but you can use any decentralized wallet of your choice. You can use either MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or BitGet wallet, but I will advise you to use BitGet wallet if you have BitGet wallet. So once you come here, you click on wallet, then you are going to change the network to base network. As you can see here, the network is not on base network, so I'm going to click on this icon, then I'm going to search for base. So once you search for base, you click on base, then either you input your password or your fingerprint, and it's going to load and take you back to this interface. So now to input their contract address, you are going to click on this plus icon, contract address. Then you can see we have about 4 tokens here, but the one we are here for is this first one. So you are going to click on this first one, and like I said, I'm going to leave their contract address in the description. Make sure you copy their contract address. So to copy your WDD address, you are going to click on this icon, but before you click on this icon, make sure you have already inputted their contract address. You click on receive, then this is your WDD address. So you copy your address, then you head back to the website and paste. But before that, I'm going to show you how you are going to trade. So to trade this token, you click on trade. So once you come here, you are going to click on this icon. So once you click on this icon, then either you paste their contract address or you search for WDD. Make sure the network is on base network, then you are going to click on this first one. So if you want to swap it to USDT, then you click on this icon, then you search for USDT. But if you want to swap it to Ethereum, you can do that. So for me, I'm going to swap it to USDT. As that is how to trade your WDD on your BitGet wallet. And you can also do the same on your Trust Wallet and your MetaMask wallet. So if you want to withdraw, you are going to paste your receiving address, then you click on this network and make sure the network is on base network, then you input the amount you want to swap. Please follow this step, and as you can see here, the minimum withdrawal is 5 WDD. So guys, that is it about this project.